Juliet, pretty dramatic stuff. Within the past few hours, Fremont police released body camera footage of a deadly police shooting along Highway 84 last month. You see this incident play out from the perspective of the motorcycle officer. Take a look.
Hey, pull in. Stop. Pull over, man.
Now, this happened last month. The officer tried to pull over the suspect you see there, who was in a stolen SUV. Now, that was linked to an armed robbery in San Francisco. Instead, the driver takes off. There's the chase. The officer toward an on-ramp of Highway 84. The man had already hit a couple of vehicles trying to get away. The driver then stops on the shoulder, and we want to warn you, what happens next may be difficult for some to watch. But the body cam captured the moment. The suspect gets out, walks toward the officer, and starts firing.
Copy, I'm coming off right now.
Vehicle yielding. Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! 1199. Shots fired.
And you can hear the report of the officer's gun there. The Fremont Police Department slowed down the video, and we can show you, we show it to you again. The suspect fired at the officer while he was still on the motorcycle. The officer takes cover on the shoulder. You can see the suspect trying to get on the motorcycle, which police say was equipped with a department-issued rifle. The Chopper 5 flew over the scene. We were also able to spot the gun the suspect used, allegedly, to fire at the officer. The suspect was identified as Joshua Gloria, 34-year-old from Oakland. After the incident, San Jose police say they had an arrest warrant for him relating to an attempted homicide. Despite taking fire at point-blank range, the officer was not hit, not hurt. He's been placed on leave pending the investigation. Back to you.
In front of the rock now. Peter, you want to
Confirm, we're going to be pulling over in the Express.
Pulling over Panda Express.
It's really blowing off.
Okay, he's still moving. He's going to be pulling over in front of the rock.
Pulling over in front of rock.
Hey, pull in. Stop. Pull over, man.
Hey, we're eastbound through the line.
Eastbound to the left.
Yeah, you're going to be taking off on the driver. Helping in pursuit.
See in pursuit on driver.
Confirm your pursuit.
Affirm.
We're going to be northbound on Arterwood, towards 84.
Northbound onward towards 84.
Regulating. Traffic is moderate.
Number 3 lane moderate traffic.
Oh, you just CC'd on the on-ramp. He's going to be continuing. Vehicle found number 2. He's got a left rear flat.
Eastbound number 2 lane.
Just notify CHP.
Hey, Burch, I'm coming up 84. Where you at?
We're eastbound 84, still on the on-ramp. He's going to be on the right-hand shoulder.
Copy, I'm coming off right now.
He's yielding.
Vehicle yielding.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Shots fired. 1199. Shots fired.
Suspect down.
Suspect down. Peter, you hit?
Negative. Shots fired!